Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm a retired Marine Colonel, 27 years of service, and I've worked on budget committees. I've worked and ran 3 different infantry battalions, and also the Ground Defense Force in Guantanamo Bay, Cuba. I'm here today, first of all, I wanted to find, and I've been looking for, a mission statement for the Board of Supervisors, and I don't know where to look, and I have not been able to identify a mission statement. And Mr. Huckleberry, if you have one, I would appreciate an opportunity to get one, or at least to see it and view it. And I would hope that the board would sit down and read the mission statement. I'm here primarily to talk about the Willett versus Pima County. In reading that in the Arizona Daily Independent, I was surprised, and I was very, very uneasy about the fishy smell that surrounded that particular article. And it indicated that Mr. Willett had been a bike rider, which I envy, and I have been one myself. However, a bike rider must be responsible for his manipulation of that bicycle. In the report, it's indicating that he is suing Pima County, and in fact he's suing you, me, and everyone that is here to pay $5 million plus $1 million to his wife for suffering that she sustained. I don't know. Were they riding on a bicycle built for 2? Did she also get injured? That has not yet been identified. But it seems to me that a case that is looking for this type of remuneration for negligence on his part, if he was in a bicycle lane, he was legal. Once you leave that bicycle lane and travel onto the sidewalk, you're illegal. And when you're illegally on the sidewalk and you go off the other side into the small crevice or ditch that's used primarily to drain water off sidewalks so that it would go into the wash, you drove into a ditch. And that, to me, was negligence on the part of Mr. Willett. And I feel very, very serious that when I saw $1 million for his wife's feeling of compassion, etc., for her husband, I can understand. But it seems to me in violation of the vows that they took when they got married, for better or for worse. And in this case, unfortunately, is for worse. And I'm sure Mr. Willett had personal life insurance, and I'm sure he had medical insurance after working for Mr. Huckleberry. And it seems to me that any decision made to just arbitrarily vote yes or no on a $5 million plus a $1 million settlement is not, it's just too fishy, and it smells fishy to me.
Thank you, sir. Your time is up.
And I would hope that you would take that into consideration, and I thank you for your time.
Thank you. Nancy.